Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the nature of roots in quadratic equation. Then first of all I tell you what the quadratic polynomial and what the quadratic equation. Those polynomials whose degree is 2, therefore it is called as a quadratic polynomial, and if the polynomial equate by 0, so it is called as a quadratic equation. The polynomial and equation, polynomial having two zeros, what the zeros are, it is the solution, or for what value of the variable polynomial becomes 0, and two roots also is a solution. In this case, if we put the value of the variable and find the value satisfy the equation, that is called as the roots. If general standard form of the x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant and a does not equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number. So, how we find the roots? It depends on the discriminant value. Discriminant value d is equal to b square minus 4ac we find from this equation, and how we convert this equation in a complete whole square form and find the value of x. So first of all, see the equation. If there is any coefficient of x square, divide by the a in the whole equation on both sides. So this side we get x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to this side, if you divide 0 by a, it becomes 0. Now we want to convert in the complete whole square form. So first of all, see the coefficient of x, that is b by a, and divided by 2. So we obtain b by 2a. So its square, add and subtract. It means there is no change in the value of the equation. So it becomes x square plus b by ax plus b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. This part always you remember, plus add, plus part you take with this one and the minus you subtract by this one, means you have transfer on the next side. So either it becomes a plus b whole square or it becomes a minus b whole square, because sign is plus, so it becomes x plus b by 2a whole square. And when we transfer in this side, we get b square upon 4a square minus c by a. Take LCM 4a square, b square minus 4ac, and this side x plus b by 2a whole square. And when we find the square root of any value, always we remember we get the value in plus or minus, because the square of these two values gives the same. So we take x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now x equal to minus b by 2a plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This also you take LCM 2a, you becomes minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now this b square minus 4ac is the discriminant value, so we can write minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now how we find the nature of roots? It depends on the discriminant value. If when we calculate the discriminant value, we find the discriminant value, and if d is equal to 0, it means roots are real and equal. Now how we define it? How we show roots are real and equal? Because a, b, c are real and discriminant value also in the form of a, b and c. Now x equal to minus b plus minus under root 0, because we put the value of d 0 upon 2a. So once we take plus sign and then we take minus sign. So add 0 in any number, always give the same value, and subtract any number from any number, always give the same. So here also we get the minus b by 2 and minus b by 2 in both cases. So roots are real and equal. But just suppose if find the d, b square minus 4ac gives the value more than 0 or greater than 0. So it shows the condition roots are real but not equal. Why? Because when we take plus sign and minus sign both in different form, we get once in one part we add both one, and here we subtract each other. So any real number add with any real number or any real number subtract with any real number gives a different value. So these two values of x is different, therefore roots are not equal, because it becomes in the form of ABC, so it is a real number. And in third case, if d is less than 0, roots are imaginary. इमेजिनरी का मतलब यहाँ पर ज़्यादा कंसीडर नहीं करना है, क्योंकि हम बस इतनी बात समझेंगे कि रूट्स जो है यहाँ पर पॉसिबल नहीं होंगे। क्यों नहीं होंगे? क्योंकि अगर हम d की वैल्यू माइनस में लेस देन 0 का मतलब ये वैल्यू जो हमने कैलकुलेट की है वो 0 से कम है, निगेटिव फॉर्म में है। तो अगर निगेटिव आती तो हम यहाँ पर d की वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे? माइनस डी। And we know about this, square root of any number is always positive, but here we get in negative form, so it is not possible to find in class 10th. क्लास 11th में इसी को हम आयटा के फॉर्म में, इमेजिनरी रूट्स के फॉर्म में फाइंड आउट करते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म बनता है। लेकिन यहाँ पर हम खाली इतनी बात को समझें कि अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से कम आती है तो रूट्स पॉसिबल नहीं होंगे। चौथी कंडीशन है रियल रूट्स d is greater, क्योंकि रियल दो केसेस में आ रहे हैं, when d is equal to 0, d is greater than 0. तो in any question it is asked for what value of k find the real roots. So not you have applied only this one, not this one, you have applied both at time d is greater or equal to 0. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कंप्लीटिंग होल स्क्वायर यूज सबसे ज्यादा होता है क्लास 12th में, जहां पर हम इंटीग्रेशन में यूज करते हैं। बाकी रूट्स का जो नेचर है ये डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैल्यू पर डिपेंड करता है। दीज आर द कंडीशन वी फाइंड इजीली। थैंक यू।